Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Fuck no, not okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh fuck.
No, I'm so sorry. I didn't see this. I didn't see him. Okay. Walk away. I didn't see him. I'm so sorry.
Why should she walk away? Who was telling her to walk away? Some people need their space when shit like this happens, but if you did some dumb shit like that, and you got my GoPro looking at my chin, and me doing somersaults and shit, and I hit the ground real hard, my legs are gone, and I need a prosthetic, you better not walk away. I better see your face.